Hey guys, this is a kids channel, and I'm here with Pumpkin Eye and Mr. Swag. So today I'm going to tell you the Legend of the Cthulhu Part 2. So the Eye of Cthulhu killed some of the warriors. It was very scary. Some of the bravest warriors died, actually. It was a fearsome battle. Luckily, some of the most bravest, strongest warriors survived. And when they fought the brain, all of them died but one. Just one. So he killed the brain. The brain shoots lightning bolts out of its brain, and the brain has an eye, and the eye has a mouth. And the eye basically eats you. So that's pretty weird. And now here is for the special myth that I told you about in the first